Lovelies, welcome back to Homemade Recipe and Lifestyle. My name is Lola and you're welcome to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make plantains and potatoes swallow without pounding. This is stress-free, easy to prepare, and the method is very easy to follow. So, to make this swallow, you need just two ingredients, which is plantains and potatoes. And I will start by peeling the potato skin first. Once I finish peeling the skin, I will cut the potatoes on my chopping board into smaller sizes. Here are the potatoes nicely clean. Next, I will start by peeling the plantains. If you are making this recipe, please make sure your plantains are more than your potatoes. Once I've finished peeling the plantains, I will go ahead and cut the plantains into smaller sizes as well. I'm going to raise this with water. Now it is time to start blending them. First, I will transfer the potatoes into a blender. I'm going to blend the potatoes first. Potatoes are very easy to blend in a blender without adding water than plantains. So once I get a smooth paste from the potato, I will start by adding the plantains. I'm going to blend this without water. But if your blender can't blend yours this way, just add a little bit of water, just little water. I'm going to blend this until I achieve a smooth paste. Here is the potatoes and plantains paste. Now I will pour the paste into a pot. I'm using non-stick pot. I will get my turning stick and start turning this on a low heat. Please, if you want to have a smooth swallow, please do not cook this on high heat. Start by turning the paste on a low heat. This might take about 10 minutes. I'm still cooking this on low heat. Now 6 minutes later, I will increase the heat to medium and I will keep turning the blended plantains and potatoes. The paste is getting thicker. As you can see, the texture has changed. You can see it's no longer light, it's getting thicker. If you have watched this video to this very moment, I say a big thank you to you all. Thank you so much for your amazing support. My subscribers, both new and old, thank you so much. God bless you all. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Remember to put your bell icon on so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Now I will add some hot water and cover this to cook for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, I will turn this for about 3 minutes again. If you don't want to add potatoes to this swallow, you can do this without potato as well. Just follow same process by using only plantains. Now the swallow is ready. I'm going to take it off from the gas cooker and then scoop the swallow into a cling film. Here I have 3 portions of swallow. So this is for 5 people. It is very smooth, nice and healthy. You can use this to eat any type of soup that you prefer, but I just love to have mine with okra soup. We've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.